You've launched your new email campaign, but how will you know if it was successful? When trying to lose weight, it's often recommended to take a before photo of yourself. With this picture, you can witness your transformation as you hit your goal weight. Sometimes changes are small and go unnoticed on a daily basis. In this same vein, I recommend noting how your business looks today. Review financials, website visits, social media following, or anything else you hope to improve through marketing. While you can achieve an anecdotal understanding of your progress while marketing, numbers simply don't lie. Seeing your growth from the start helps you appreciate your marketing's power. But how do you assess where you are? There are numerous ways to measure marketing success. In general, these metrics are referred to as key performance indicators, or KPIs for short. An example of a common KPI is the number of unique users who visited your website during a specific period of time. Another example is the number of visitors your website received from a specific geographic area. This is important for businesses targeting the local community. When email marketing, one goal KPI would be increasing the open rate of your email deployments by X%. This would be a strong indicator of how well your subject lines are enticing recipients to open your email. Which marketing tools should you use? Capturing these counts before you launch your next marketing campaign gives you a figure to compare to when the campaign has concluded. You can use tools like Google Analytics or Monster Insights to track these metrics. Sometimes, however, the count of visitors is simply not enough. Taking your efforts to the next level often involves tracking actual leads or prospects early in the buyer's journey on their way to becoming qualified leads. While the intricacies of that warrant its own video, know that there are tools available to track such data. And for this, I recommend checking out a platform like HubSpot. For email marketing, I suggest trying a platform like Constant Contact or MailChimp, as they can provide you the data you need to determine the success, or sometimes more importantly, the failure, of subject lines, body copy, deployment times, and more. Regardless of which tools you deploy, it's important to take a snapshot of where you are today if you plan on tracking success tomorrow.